Hello everyone, I'm Storm. Welcome back to the reaction video, and today we are continuing with RWBY reactions. Today we'll check out Volume 1, Chapters 13 and 14, Forever Fall. And yeah, without further ado, let's just check this one out. So, Jaune was blackmailed.
He's
Yeah,
become rather scarce ever since
he was
we got back.
blackmailed in the last couple of
That's
episodes.
weird. Doesn't he know we have a field trip tomorrow? We need our rest.
I'm sure our leader knows exactly what he's doing.
I guess so. Hey, Jaune. Long time no see. Did you lock yourself out again?
Oh, no. Got it.
So, where have you been lately?
I messed up. I did something I shouldn't have, and now Cardin's got me on a leash, and Pyrrha won't even talk to me. I'm starting to think coming to this school was a bad idea. I'm a failure.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. You're a leader now, Jaune. You're not allowed to be a failure.
But what if I'm a failure at being a leader?
Nope.
You know, you're not the easiest person to talk to about this kind of stuff.
Nope. Jaune, maybe you were a failure when you were a kid. You might have even been a failure the first day we met. But you can't be one now. You know why?
Because...
Because it's not just about you anymore. You've got a team now, Jaune. We both do. And if we fail, then we'll just be bringing them down with us. We have to put our teammates first and ourselves second. Your team deserves a great leader, Jaune. And I think that can be you. Have a good night, Jaune.
Good speech.
Hey, it's your buddy Cardin. I know you're probably busy with that dust project I gave you, but I'm gonna need you to go out and get me a bag of rapier wasps. And make sure they've got some really big stingers. It's important, so don't screw this up.
Yes, students, the Forest of Forever Fall is indeed beautiful.
Ha.
We are not here to sightsee. Professor Peach has asked all of you to collect samples from the trees deep inside this forest, and I'm here to make sure that none of you die while doing so. Each of you is to gather 1 jar's worth of red sap. However, this forest is full of the creatures of Grimm, so be sure to stay by your teammates. We will rendezvous back here at 4 o'clock. Have fun!
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Hey, great work, Johnny boy. Now that wasn't too hard, was it?
I think I'm allergic to this stuff.
Great. So, Jean, I bet you're asking yourself, why did my buddy Cardin ask me to collect 6 jars of tree sap when there's only 5 of us?
That is one of the many questions I have asked myself today, yes?
Well, come with me and you'll find out.
Oh. Cardin, what's going on?
Payback.
Pyrrha? What are you...
That's the girl. Red-haired, know-it-all, thinks she's so smart. All right, boys. Last night, old John here managed to round up an entire box full of rapier wasps. And now, we're gonna put him to work. Now, according to one of the essays you wrote from you last week, these nasty things love sweets. I'm thinking it's time we teach her a thing or two. And you're gonna do it.
Do what?
Hit her with the sap. Either that, or I'll have a chat with Goodwitch, and you'll be on the first airship out of Beacon.
Like,
No.
the fact that he either
What did you say?
considered...
I said no.
Oh,
Oh, you've done it now.
oh, okay. Abrupt ending, but I guess this is my cue to go to the next episode. Let's check this one out.
You know that wasn't very smart, Johnny boy. I'm gonna make sure they send you back to Mommy in teeny tiny pieces.
I don't care what you do to me, but you are not messing with my team.
What? You think talk like that makes you tough? You think you're a big, strong man now?
Ooh, Aura?
Huh?
Let's see how much of a man you really are.
Huh. Hello, Ursa. The sweets.
That's a big Ursa!
Did you guys hear that?
Ursa! Ursa!
What? Where?
Back there! It's got carded!
Jaune!
Yang, you and Blake, go get Professor Goodwitch.
You two, go with them. There could be more.
Crap!
Oh no.
Okay.
Wait.
What's the fighting strategy? Ooh. Damn.
What? How did you...
Well, Ruby has her speed. You have your glyphs. My semblance is polarity.
Oh, you can control poles.
No, you dunce. It means she has control over magnetism.
That's cool too.
Where are you going?
Yeah, we gotta tell them what happened.
We could. Or perhaps we could just keep it our little secret.
Holy crap, Jaune?
Don't ever mess with my team, my friends, ever again. Got it?
Damn.
No Cardin tonight? I thought you two were best buds.
Pyrrha, I'm sorry. I was a jerk. You were only trying to be nice, and I had all this stupid macho stuff in my head.
Jaune, it's okay. Your team really misses their leader, you know. You should come down. Ren made pancakes. No syrup, though. You can thank Nora for that.
Wait! I know I don't deserve it after all that happened, but would you still be willing to help me? To help me become a better fighter? Hey!
That's a
Your stance is
start.
all wrong. You need to be wider and lower to the ground.
That's a start.
Let's try that again.
Mhm. Okay. Just a few more episodes for the volume 1. And yeah, I have little to say about this. This was actually Jaune's redemption and showcasing that he has the guts. So if you enjoyed my reaction here, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next RWBY reactions. Bye!